How to use ChatGPT to easily get better exam results. Ever wonder how to study smarter, not harder? Today, I'm going to show you a tool that might just change the way you prepare for exams. First, what is ChatGPT? It is a chatbot from OpenAI that enables users to converse in a way that is meant to mimic natural conversation. As a user, you can ask questions and it will respond with answers. I will show you 3 methods that I will use as a student combined with Pareto method or the 80-20 rule, which asserts that roughly 80% of the effect comes from 20% of the causes. In studying this means focusing on the most essential 20% of the material that can help you understand 80% of the subject. 1. Focus on question. I will focus on relevant questions from ChatGPT, particularly those that are likely to gain higher marks. To understand my next example, understand the differences between open-ended questions and closed-ended questions. Open-ended questions are usually long, meaningful answers rather than a simple yes or no response. Open-ended requires in-depth understanding, hence the higher mark. Focusing on open-ended questions from ChatGPT is key, as these questions are usually on the higher bucket. 2. Time management. Understand key concepts is usually the easiest method to answer a question. For example, I will use ChatGPT to clarify the key concepts that make up 20% of the material, which often leads to understanding 80% of the general concept. 3. Review the interaction and outcome using ChatGPT. For example, I can save the questions that gain the most outcome. So, in future topics, I will start with the 20% question and gain 80% knowledge. Do drop comments below if you have ever used this method or if you have any questions. I just like to hear your thoughts. See you in the next video.